Dear students, today I would like to take a class on Hamlet, one of the most dominating plays or tragedies of William Shakespeare, prescribed in your master's syllabus. And initially, I would like to talk about the themes or something related to the critical analysis of this remarkable drama. And then I will go to other parts of the drama. So if we start with the critical analysis of this remarkable tragedy, then we will find that four tragedies are considered to be most remarkable tragedies of William Shakespeare. And apart from Hamlet, other three tragedies are Macbeth, Othello, and King Lear. In all these four tragedies, we will find the hamartia of the protagonist. If we think about King Lear, then we will find that the protagonist is suffering from the tragic flaw that is called lack of decision or error in judgment. That is the tragic flaw or hamartia of King Lear. In Othello, the hamartia or the tragic flaw is, credulousness. Easy to believe something, easily to be cheated, and that is the tragic flaw, which is known as credulousness of Othello. In Macbeth, the tragic flaw of Macbeth is overambition, and that overambition creates the downfall of Macbeth in the end of the drama. In Hamlet, the tragic flaw of the protagonist Hamlet is known as delay or the procrastination or delay in taking action. So at first I have talked about the I have talked about the tragic flaw or hamartia of Hamlet, and that hamartia is known as procrastination, that is to make delay in taking action. So this is the first point to be discussed today, and then we will find some other important things in this drama, and if we discuss these things one after another, then we will find that Hamlet is considered to be a tragic. Hamlet is considered to be a revenge tragedy. In classical tradition, we have got many revenge tragedies like Medea, Phaedra, Agamemnon. All these are known as revenge tragedies. But in Elizabethan period of English literature, we have got the revenge tragedy initially by Thomas Kidd. The revenge tragedy that was composed by Thomas Kidd is a Spanish tragedy. That Spanish tragedy is also a remarkable revenge tragedy. And then Hamlet is another important revenge tragedy, which was written by William Shakespeare. So we can remark that Hamlet is a conventional revenge tragedy. This is the second point to note about Hamlet. The third one is that the theme of madness, that is Hamlet plays the part of or the role of mad. Hamlet acts as a mad person throughout the drama to hide the conscience of the criminals, and that is why we find the theme of madness in the drama, particularly by Hamlet initially. But in the next level, we got Ophelia, another important character, to become originally a mad character. Or Ophelia did not feign madness. Rather, Ophelia became a mad person because of the killing of his father. So this is the third point to note, that we get the theme of madness here. And we also get some soliloquies. There are some soliloquies uttered by the characters, major characters, particularly by Hamlet. And this soliloquy is the utterance of the character to himself. Though there are other characters on the stage, but the other characters will not hear the speech uttered by the character, but the audience will definitely hear that speech uttered by the character. That is also called, soliloquy, and these soliloquies are very much, remarkable in Hamlet, because there are some soliloquies of Hamlet had actually become, famous quotations actually. To be or not to be, that is the question. This is one very much remarkable soliloquy uttered by Hamlet. And another, frailty thy name is women. This is another important soliloquy uttered by Hamlet. So we also get the use of soliloquies in this drama. Another important thing is that we find the concept of religion, and so religion is present in the drama from the very beginning to the end. Hamlet did not commit suicide, though he was very much, in sadness. He was very much in dejection, but he did not commit suicide because he thought that if he committed suicide, he would go to hell. And that is why we find the dominance of religious conscience in the actions of Hamlet. And also Hamlet did not kill Claudius at the time of prayer, because he thought this type of criminal will go to heaven if he was killed during the time of prayer. So in this way, we will find the presence of religious concept from the very beginning to the end of the drama. That is another important fact. And another important fact here in this drama is that we find the involvement of so many countries in this drama. There are many countries which are involved in this drama. The location of this drama is Denmark, but other countries, Norway, England, Germany. So all these countries are France, Germany, Norway, England. All these countries are closely connected with Denmark in the progress of the plot. And that is also another important fact that we can find in this drama actually. And we also get the role of love actually. There is also love. There is the love between Hamlet and Ophelia. And Ophelia became mad because of his dilemma between the love for his father and the love for his lover, that is Hamlet. And that is actually another important fact to be noted here. And we also get some melodramatic element, because there are some killings here. Initially, we get the killing of senior Hamlet, the King Hamlet. And then we get the killing of Polonius, the father of Ophelia. We get the suicide of Ophelia, the heroine of this drama. We get the killing of Gertrude, killing of Claudius, killing of Hamlet. So many characters are found to be killed in this drama, and that is why we can consider that this drama is a drama of melodramatic elements. There are bloodshed, killing, all these things are very much terrific or horrific in the drama, and these things are very much over affecting on the audiences. That is another important fact to be noted here. And we also get the presence, portrayal of the contemporary society in this drama, and the contemporary, politics had also been criticized over here. We get the political intrigues from the beginning to the end of the drama. Initially, Claudius murdered King Hamlet, and then Claudius attempted to plot against the life of Hamlet again and again. And that is why we get the presence of palace conspiracy, political intrigues throughout the drama. That is another important theme or another important fact in this drama. And we also get the presence of supernatural elements. We find that William Shakespeare is the believer of the supernatural elements. Actually, in most of these dramas, we get the presence of the supernatural elements. If we analyze Tempest, we get the supernatural elements. If we analyze Macbeth, we get the supernatural elements. In Hamlet, we get the supernatural elements. The presence of ghost of King Hamlet here. So the presence of supernatural elements is another important fact in this drama. So if we think about all these things, then it will be possible for us to get the picture of this drama, get the idea about this drama. And in this drama, we do not get the observance of unity of time. We do not get the observance of unity of place, but we get the observance of unity of action, because there is no subplot in this drama, but the drama definitely crosses the limit of 24 hours set by the classical dramatist, and also drama crosses the single place. That is another thing. And another important thing of this drama is play within a play. In this drama, we get a play within a play. This is a play. The drama itself is a play, and there is another play. The play, performed by or directed by Hamlet, and the name of that play was The Murder of Gonzago. And that is another important fact, that we here get the presence of the play within a play. And these are all the things related to the themes as well as the analysis of this drama.